Hi, my name is Paul. Welcome to my website racktrip.com. So today I'm going to show you how to install this roof rack with a hook. So the tools you're going to need, you need a flat screwdriver and this socket driver, and you may need this one or not. So in the box you can find this. There's a two set of accessories to install to this rack. So let me open that and show how to do that. So you open this box. You have two type of hooks. This hook is for the some car with a very small edge, and this is quite standard. Most cars, in most cases, I use this hook. It's because it's more larger, and also there is a stop to the door. It's more safe. But still, if you choose this one is quite strong to hook to the door edge if there is a small edge. So you can see that this one a little bit cut to the door edge the paint. So if you have a choice, use this one. It's the better. The inside you already see that there is a rubber here. So it protect your car. It won't scratch your car when you install that. So all the material is stainless steel, so you can use this one and the hook you choose. So you can slide in and see this is going to be this shape, and put the rubber protector on that. So it's going to like this. Then you put this hook assembling to the rack. Okay. Then you need just use your finger to take out this nut out of the bolt. Then you need to open this box. Okay, you can find this plastic sheet. So there is a flat and the round. The flat you should face to the bar side. So this is the bar. You put on like this way. So now in the same bag you can see this washer, plastic washer. Put it here. Then there's a screw. Put back. Now the nut. So either you can, if you don't have a socket driver, you can use this one to tighten. I use this one. If you can find any socket driver, you can use this one. It's more quick. Just hand tighten. Don't over tighten this bolt and nut, because you need to turn that. Different car have different shape. So there is a rubber, the shoes. So I put on. You can see it's assembled. So, and you can, in the same box, you can find a set of key. So now, just here, your right side, if you're facing the bar. So you can open this plastic cover and put the key, not this way, but this way. So there's a direction. You should check the lock. Yeah, I don't have good camera here, so I need to take time. Okay. So now you need to open. It's anti-clock side. So you open. I take out the key, and then like this. So now you can see that this rack is fully assembled. So now you can go to your car and hook to the position, the location wherever you want to do. This one is going to hook to the door edge. So then when you hook to the door edge, another side, I prefer you can find another people to help you to hook to the door edge. Then when you drag on another side, it won't come to you. It will be tighten another side. So basically, you can see that if I keep dragging, it's a clamp. So you need fully drag. If you keep doing, so you can see that the hook go inside one way, go inside this rack. So you see it, and if you see the door, you can see that this hook keep once it reach the door edge, it start to change the shape. Make sure this edge, the edge here, is parallel to the door frame. So don't over tighten. If you keep doing that, it can be either damage your car here, the paint, or damage the inside this rack. After it's damaged, this rack is not safe anymore because it can be loosened here. So remember, never over tighten. So I don't really much worry about people, not tighten, but I worry about people concern is over tighten. So this is pretty much how to install this rack. And let me lock this after you tighten both sides, and you can, you can test this rack to see if it's safely installed. This rack should not moving, and the car should jumping, on the tire. It can be shaken. So then you can lock the rack. That's it. This rack should be very tightly hooked to the door frame, the edge. So one day if you want to take off this rack or change the position, so you need unlock this key using unlock this lock using this key. So you need to turn and you can open. So now you can see there's a switch here. Okay, let's continue. So when you want to release this rack from the car, So you need to open this rack with your key. After your key, using the key to unlock, you can open this cover. So then there's a switch here, but usually when it's already in the car, it's not easy to switch over using your finger. This switch is very hard, very tight. So you need this. Now you need this flat screwdriver. See, be carefully. Don't damage here the cover. Just put this screwdriver beside this switch. See, you can hear, and you can bend. Use your hand to bend this switch like this way. I try to use finger, like this. Use your screwdriver to bend switch. So see this switch bend over here, and then you need your finger hold to this switch. Then be carefully. Make sure this cover should touch your finger too. If you do like this, you won't be able to take off your this hook. It's still very tight. So you need to hold this switch, and then this one go down to squeeze your finger. So then if you drag, you can take off this hook. So it's quite easy. Okay, let me know if you have any question, or how to install and how to release the hook. Okay, let me know. Okay, my name is Paul, and my website is ragtrip.com. Thank you.